Hey everyone, and welcome. In just the next few minutes, we're going to tackle one of the best ways to connect with someone in Armenian, talking about hobbies and what you do for fun. So let's just dive right in. It all boils down to this simple question, doesn't it? I mean, sharing what we love to do is how we really get to know people. And by the end of this, you're going to have all the tools you need to do exactly that in Armenian. Okay, so to get any conversation rolling, we need our vocabulary toolbox, right? These are the absolute essential words you'll want to have ready so you can share your passions with confidence.
Let's go through these together. Just try repeating them after me. Ready? First up, hobby is Sarali Zbagmunk. A bit of a mouthful, but you got this. Next, music, Yerajishtutun. Reading is Kardal. Dancing, Parel. Sports is a nice easy one, it's just sport. Watching movies is Filmerdidal. For traveling, we have Chumportel. Cooking is Huaral. Painting is Nakaral. And last but not least, playing guitar Navagal. Awesome job. Now, let's see how to actually use these.
You know, having the words is one thing, but using them in a sentence, well, that's where the language really comes alive. So let's put them into practice and hear how they sound in a real conversation. Because that's really the key, isn't it? You can memorize a list all day long, but hearing how those words flow in a natural back-and-forth chat is what makes them truly stick in your brain. So let's listen in on a quick, friendly chat. Your job is to see if you can pick out some of those vocabulary words we just went over. Ready? Let's listen. So, the first speaker kicks it off with our key question. Inch yesarum anil azadshamanak. This is your go-to phrase for asking about hobbies. It's super simple, direct, and really friendly.
Yes, sir, Isrum. Երաժշտություն լսել եւ գրքեր կարդալ. Did you catch that? Our new words are right in there. Երաժշտություն for music, and kartal, which is the root for reading. See how smooth that sounds?
Then, speaker A chimes back in, yes, Elsurum em sportov zbogvel. They're saying they also like doing sports. And there it is again. That easy word, sport. It just shows you how simple it is to share your own interests in response. Okay, so you've seen the words, you've heard them in action. Now it's time to make this language your own. Let's practice. It's your turn. Here is the golden structure you're going to use all the time. Yes, sarum em, which means I like. Then you just pop your hobby on the end. So, for example, to say I like dancing, you'd say yes sarum em parel. Or if you're a traveler, yes sarum em chemfortel. Easy, right? So take a second, think of your favorite hobby from our list. How would you say it? Go on, give it a shot. And really, that's all there is to it. You've got the words, you've seen a real conversation, and you've even had a chance to practice. So I'll leave you with this one question. What's your Saidelis Bachamunk? Keep practicing that one sentence, and you'll be ready for your next Armenian conversation in no time. You did great today.